Hey there, welcome to today's video. So, imagine this situation. You're all set to open Discord on a Linux system, only to be met with an unexpected problem. Despite being on version 0.0.90, Discord insists you need a downgrade to 0.0.89. To add to the confusion, a quirky message about time travel pops up when you check the version. What's going on here? Let's dive into this Discord version dilemma and uncover the mystery behind it. In the grand scheme of things, the solution to this Discord version paradox is quite simple. It seems that Discord decided to roll back from version 0.0.90 to 0.0.89 on Linux due to a pesky bug affecting voice sound. In order to address this issue, users were required to revert back to the earlier version. This decision was made public on Discord's status page, along with a promise to deliver a fixed version in the near future. So if you're scratching your head wondering why Discord wants you to step back in time version-wise, now you know it's all about fixing that voice sound bug. Now, in a nutshell, Discord's quirky message about living in the future isn't a sci-fi plot twist, but rather a friendly reminder to go back in time version-wise for a smoother experience. So, if you find yourself in a similar situation where the app insists on a previous version, don't fret, it's all about ensuring a bug-free journey in the Discord realm. And with that, we come to the end of today's video. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts. Until next time, happy Discord, ING.